With a management major at Columbia College, you'll gain the skills and knowledge for a leadership role across a variety of industries. Our faculty have deep experience in areas such as corporate, nonprofit, and public workplaces, and a passion for sharing their expertise. Here are 6 ways our management major prepares you for a successful future. Employers rely on effective managers to create value within their organizations. First, the key principles and skills of this work can be applied across businesses in any field of any size. Second, with information coming in from every direction, managers need to be skilled at the basic building blocks of critical thinking. Our faculty teach you what these skills are and give you practice using them, and they challenge you to constantly improve your ability. Third, just as a carpenter wouldn't use a screwdriver to pound in a nail, managers have specific tools for every facet of their work. From human resources to information systems to operations management, you'll learn which key tools are available and what techniques you'll need to apply them successfully. Fourth, courses such as cross-cultural management and human resource management give students an understanding of how diversity influences workplaces. Fifth, the efficiency of any organization depends on people's interactions and behaviors in workplace settings. As a manager, you'll understand the conceptual frameworks behind organizational behavior. You'll be able to make informed decisions that shape the environment for everyone's benefit. Sixth, keeping projects moving smoothly is fundamental in today's fast-paced world. Not only do you need to know how to apply the techniques of project management, you'll need to be able to show it through software tools. Whatever your long-term goals are, from working at a major company to managing your own business, a management major will help you reach them. Classes are offered at Columbia College campuses across the U.S. Learn more at ccis.edu.